So in this question we have a cell given CUS Cu2 plus C1M Cu2 plus C2M CUS, and we have to find the delta G is negative, and if negative, which of the following is correct. So here E is equals to 0 minus 0.059 by 2 log C1 by C2. So we know that delta G is equals to minus of NFE. So we will put the value of E in this. We will get this NF into RT by NF and cancel into 2.303 log C1 by C2. So log C1 by C2 is less than 0 here. So we will take anti-log both sides to cancel the log out. So C1 is less than C2. So C2 is equals to square root of C1. So correct option is first.